Hello everyone. Today we're going to have a brief market recap and then talk about the French sentiment indices coming out and the IFO indices from Germany. This is Marshall Gitler, Head of Investment Research here at FX Premise, bringing you my European opening market comment. The dollar is consolidating this morning, even though yesterday's better than expected EU and US purchasing managers indices pushed up US interest rates and raised expectations of Fed tightening. Chicago Fed President Evans said it's likely U.S. rates will be hiked 3 times by the end of next year. The main loser against the dollar was the yen, but I couldn't find any specific reason for the yen to be weak. It may be related to China's FX policy, as the CNH, the offshore yuan, hit a new low this morning before rebounding. The Swiss franc also weakened after Swiss National Bank Chairman Jordan said the SNB has room to push rates still lower, even though they're already at record lows. On the other hand, the Canadian dollar surged after Bank of Canada Governor Polo said fiscal stimulus has eased the pressure for lower rates. And oil fell after Iraq said it should be exempted from having to cut production in any OPEC quota arrangement. Now, as for today's indicators, France announced its 2 confidence surveys over the next 24 hours. Manufacturing confidence this morning and consumer confidence early tomorrow morning. Manufacturing forecast is forecast to be unchanged. That would be a little disappointing after the better than expected manufacturing PMI for October released yesterday. A rise in consumer confidence back to the recent highs would be welcome, however. Next comes the closely watched IFO indices for Germany. The current assessment and overall business climate are expected to rise somewhat, while expectations are forecast to remain the same. A rise should be positive for the euro. Now, the better than expected results of Germany's PMIs yesterday make me think that an upside surprise is possible here. Although, as the graph shows on a month-to-month basis, the change in the IFO and the PMIs are not particularly correlated. Also in Europe today, ECB President Draghi will be presenting a lecture, and Bank of England Governor Carney appears before the House of Lords Economic Affairs Committee. For an update on the U.S. indicators coming out today, please watch my North American opening comment. This is Marshall Gitler, Head of Investment Research at FX Premise. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FX Premise, the safest place to trade.